Welcome everybody to the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart. My name is Bettina Fetzer and I'm the head of marketing for Mercedes-Benz. Project Geländewagen sees Gorden Wagener, our Mercedes-Benz Chief Design Officer, and Virgil Abloh, Chief Creative Director and founder of Off-White, and Men's Artistic Director at Louis Vuitton, joined forces to reimagine one of our most iconic products. This collaboration is redefining creative exchange and cultural enrichment in the digital space to inspire you to envision new possibilities. So come join us on our journey through the story of Project Geländewagen. The G-Class is one of our most fashionable products. It has actually remained more or less unchanged for the last 40 years. So you can say it's a fashion statement by itself.
The future is not written, it will be what we make out of it. We are designers of the future. Hello, my name is Gorden. I joined Mercedes-Benz in 1997. Being in the role of Chief Design Officer, I developed an aesthetic soul for that luxury company. It's called Sensual Purity. It's the essence of the heart and the brain. It is about the emotion and the intelligence.
Hi, my name is Virgil Abloh. My design career has been equally informed by formal training just as much as life experience. Mercedes-Benz for me is a brand that embodies emotion. I don't look at it simply as a transportation company. I made a career of working in collaboration and conversation. I think that helps us get to ideas that we otherwise wouldn't develop on our own. The initial idea was to question, to sort of make this sort of twist on reality and speed, to have this car that is luxurious in a deconstructed way.
We stripped off all materials. We cleaned up the exterior of every unnecessary parts, and we stripped entirely the interior, ripping everything off. That again creates a canvas for something new. The next luxury will be what we make out of it. It's an extraordinary approach in every direction. To me, this is a very progressive step towards the future of luxury. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, Project Geländewagen. We turned an off-road icon into a race car. We bring it down onto the ground, put these racing tires on, put the body claddings on, and we put literally another art installation inside the G. We put a racing steering wheel from our Project 1 Formula 1 car. The seats are racing seats from our DTM cars. Safety elements put into red. I think it's very radical.
The idea of the paint is unique in so that it runs away from the idea of perfection. The finish is typically like the underlayment of a car. The idea here is to embrace the human touch.
We have created a home-scale replica of the unique artwork that will be auctioned off at Sotheby's online in October 2020. The winner of the model auction will also receive an exclusive access to the co-creators, including a personal introduction to the inspirations behind the artwork and the creative powerhouse's aspirations for it. Lastly, we have created an augmented reality artwork that you can explore in your own surroundings. So thank you for being part of this journey with us.